Welcome to my English for Life channel.
Hi there. Let's learn 5 common cooking verbs in English, with simple examples. Verb number 1 is bake. To cook in an oven. I bake a cake every weekend. Verb number 2 is fry. To cook in hot oil. She fries eggs for breakfast. Verb number 3 is boil. To cook in hot water. We boil pasta for 10 minutes. Verb number 4 is chop. To cut into small pieces. He chops the onions before cooking. Verb number 4 is stir. To mix with a spoon. Please stir the soup slowly. Quiz time. Can you choose the correct verb? I cook food in hot water. What do I do? I use a knife to cut carrots into small pieces. What verb do I use? I heat oil in a pan and cook fish in it. What am I doing? I move the soup with a spoon so it doesn't burn. What verb is that? I put the cake in the oven. What cooking verb should I use?
See you next video.